Hey guys, I'm Brian. This is my bike check. I got BSD Dan Paley grips. They're horrible. I honestly hate them. S&M Foo bars, 10-inch, really heavy, really fucking heavy. But if you like heavy bars, then get these. Like I like them, but they're just heavy. I got this Mission lever with Mission stuff because my parents are like, this is a neighborhood. I live in Sound Beach, New York. It's like, that's not why. I don't know why. That's not why. Anyways, I got this Kink Bold HID 50mm stem, 50mm reach. Got this integrated headset, which is really loose.
Just because it's telling you, it doesn't mean it's loose, right?
Moving this way. We got some got stolen 25
roof, by the way.
What? Stolen? Oh yeah. This Mission 410 chain. Piece of it jiggles.
Very long.
Torque. Yeah, I got, and that's why my dropouts are like this far by my frame. I need to take a couple links out, but I'm just too lazy to. I got these BSD Safari pedals and stock cranks, but I got new cranks.
Black, they'd be better, I think.
Yeah, and then stock cranks, but I got new cranks, but they're like still stock. Odyssey MPEGs, metal. Metal's just great, but I don't have any hub guards. And then a cassette wheel, you know, because cassettes are not good at all. This is not my dream setup. And then some Kink Sever tires. They came stock white.
Same one
And the Jake Seeley camo sweep seat. Sunday.
Nice. Are you gonna put the seat on your
I don't know yet.
bike?
I don't know. And then you know what I like to do too. I like to do nose manuals off my roof. So do that real quick.
Do not throw that off the roof. We're just gonna stop it there. Wait, like